If your vehicle's AC system is blowing hot air, it's most likely due to a refrigerant leak. After a recharge, if your system fails to produce cold air for more than 2 weeks, it probably has a large leak requiring replacement components that need to be installed by a certified technician. Super Seal All-in-One can be useful for systems that can hold a charge for at least 2 weeks. Unlike other AC metal stop leaks on the market, AC Pro Super Seal All-in-One goes beyond sealing metal and rubber leaks to include refrigerant, allowing you to administer it into the system in a single step, so you don't need to use a separate can of refrigerant again afterward. Adding the sealant into the system is simple. First, locate the low side port. If you need help finding it, you can visit acprocold.com and click on our port finding tool. Once you locate it, start the engine and turn on recirculation mode. Turn the AC on high with the fan on its highest setting. Now, connect the coupler to the low side port. Press the button to begin filling. It may take a few minutes, but be sure to empty the entire can into the vehicle. And that's it. Just allow the AC to circulate the solution for 10 to 15 minutes. Thanks for choosing AC Pro as your expert in car AC systems. Be sure to check out all our products at acprocold.com.